Hey everybody, this is Northworld Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how we can sign up for SoFi app on your iPhone. So in order to do that, open the App Store. And once the App Store is open, at the very bottom, you will see several icons. And at the very bottom right corner of the screen, you will see a search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. Tap on the search icon. And once you do that, at the very top in the search bar, go ahead and type in SoFi. And then tap on SoFi. And then tap on Get next to the SoFi Investing app. And then if it is asking for the password, go ahead and enter your App Store password and then tap on Sign In. And then tap Install at the very bottom. Now you can see that the app is getting installed. So you can see a small circle there which shows the progress of the install. So let's wait for it to get installed. All right, now once it is installed, you can tap on Open to open the app. All right, once the app is open, you will see a screen like this and you will see two options, Get Started and Sign In. So since we are using this for the first time, we're going to tap on Get Started. And on the next screen, you need to enter your first name, last name, your state, email, and then you need to create a password, which should be at least 8 characters. And then you have to agree to the terms by putting a check mark there, and then tap on Next at the very bottom. And then it's going to give you an option to create a PIN. So you could create a 4-digit PIN here and then tap on Create a PIN. If you don't want to create it now, you can tap on Not Right Now. But I'm going to create one, so I'm going to tap on Create a PIN. And then type in your 4-digit PIN here. And then you have to confirm your PIN by re-entering it. And once you confirm your PIN, you're all set. You have successfully signed up for SoFi app. And we will create other videos to show you how to properly use this app and how to invest using this app. So stay tuned. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website, northworldtech.com, for great tech articles.